Here we're looking at our stock in focus. Here we're looking at Monster Beverage Corp, and this one is in the news because of the death of a couple of kids here, from what I understand. Again, I'm not going to get into that. We're doing technical analysis, so we're not going to base our point on some of the news here, but of course that's not great news. And regardless, and there's going to be reaction of those that are shareholders going to want to get out on that. Of course, that'll create a pretty free fall. But what's interesting here is that a lot of times people say, I always hear the term, well, could you have known in advance, and is it news related? And you can never tell because there's always that potential. I personally think that there isn't any. I don't think there should be any real surprise. Every once in a while, there's something you may not have factored in, but I still believe there has to be a reason for that somewhere. But sometimes it's it can be difficult to try to watch this. But what I always find important is trying to figure out, especially stocks that have been in favor, how they fall out of favor, and look for those signs that create that. Because anybody can see a stock that's doing well and find something that's doing well. It's when when the move is over, that it's important to figure out and not to hold on to that. Well, if we look at it in this way, we could see that it really had a very good move here. You could see how it runs sideways, but a very strong move. Coming up on this, and you could see it hold the 100-day moving average here. It does a very, very big move here, and then you start to see this break under the 50-day moving average. You see it kind of come into this range, and then you could see the very dramatic moves. You see the break of the prior swing low, then you see it trying to come back up now, but you don't see a break back up over the 50-day moving average. If anything, you see it just try to rally. It can't. It breaks back down. You see it try to do it again. Now that's two attempts, actually more attempts, trying to break through the 21-day, which it can't do. What does it do? It gaps down. This is your first real big indicator that this isn't just going to be